Hi, thanks for watching AI Design Labs, Sketch to Photo, where we show you how to use the Sketch to Photo feature. The idea behind this feature is to let you visualize how your sketch would look like a final product. Maybe you like the design on paper, but would like to see how it looks like a garment. Or maybe a colleague or buyer, before placing an order, would like to see how this product looks when made into a garment. Or maybe you want to give your manufacturer or tailor an idea of what the vision for the product is. Whatever your purpose, the sketch to photo gives you realistic looking photos taken from your sketch and made to look like a proper garment. So let's begin. To start, choose the sketch to photo option from under AI Design Labs on the sidebar menu. You need to upload the sketch of what you would like to see a photo of, and you have two options here. Either upload from device, where you can upload a sketch from your computer or your system, or upload from My Gallery, images that have been generated or uploaded by you previously on our platform. Let's start with upload from device. Once you click upload on device, you can either choose the images from your folder structure on the computer, or you can drag and drop an image over here in this window. Once you choose your image, the preview will appear in this window. Here, we are choosing an image which has some lettering to see how the platform performs with images that have letters and alphabets. Notice something important here. For this feature, we only allow one variation, unlike other image generation features where you can choose up to 5 variations. The reasoning is that one sketch can only have one accurate representation in photo form. Also, unlike other image generation features where you only get debited for images that you use either by finalizing them or sharing them or by using them as input to other features, for sketch to photo, one generation costs 1 credit and automatically moves to finalized tab in My Gallery. Anyway, moving on, after you have uploaded your image, just click generate. After a minute or so, your sketch to photo is ready. Meanwhile, if you wish to abort, then you can just click on the abort button before the task is complete. Once your task is completed, the generated image shows up on your screen. You can view the image that you input to generate this photo, and you can also preview the image. If you like, you can also uh, open a bigger view in another tab. You can scroll up and down or zoom in on the image as you please. Notice the detail on the final output image, which shows you the overlock stitch used on the bottoms, on the hems, the piping stitches used on the white piping part of this garment. You can also use the upload from gallery button to choose an image that has already been uploaded to our platform or has been generated via our platform. To users who are familiar with the platform, they will know that images on our platform are segregated into uploaded images, images that you may have uploaded in the past, generated, images that you may have recently generated, images that you've saved and are considering for later, or images that you've finalized. For this exercise, we'll use an image that has been generated from the platform and has been finalized. Please remember that if you choose an image from generated or from saved for later as an input to the sketch to photo, the assumption is that you're using the image and 1 credit will be debited to your account. As usual, we allow only one variation and you can just click generate and wait for the image to get produced into a photo. Once your image is ready, you can preview the image and see a bigger version in a different tab. And that wraps up our section AI Design Labs Sketch to Photo. Hope any questions about how to use this feature were answered. If not, please take a look at the FAQs or drop us an email at support@design-genie.ai. If you wish to learn about the other features, head over to Learn the Magic section from our landing page and explore or search for the features you want to know more about. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoy using Design Genie.